Today we're gonna review this Honest lighter in a very nice gift box. Some serial number BCZ-371. I think it's gray color. Okay, open this way. Honest lighter. We got a little bit of user manual, some kind of gel. Doesn't matter. That's the lighter. Let's look at Honest. You can adjust the flame in the bottom, and that's the two picker tamper for the tobacco pipe. If you don't use tobacco pipe, you not use the tool. This is not a knife. It's something to clean the bowl. Okay, you have to fill the lighter with butane gas. We did not fill the gas. Okay, let's measure. About 2.5, about 1.5, 0.5. Okay, let's put on the scale. 68 grams. It's very solid, heavy, and kind of useful lighter. Nothing special except there's a tool built in. And I think the torch, single torch, go out that way. It's not a leather, it's kind of PU, like fake leather. You can refill the gas here. Thank you for watching.